Hello and welcome to this course. I'm Dr. Rashid, your guide in this adventure. I'm a lecturer, a speaker, and I love creating content on YouTube. In this course, we are diving into the world of video editing using Canva, a versatile, easy to use platform. Whether you are just starting out or you already have some experience in video editing, this course is designed for everyone. As we go through the lessons, we will explore Canva's features step by step. We'll cover everything from setting up your Canva account and getting familiar with the interface to more advanced stuffs like adding animations, working with audio, adding texts, adding colorations, recording, and collaborating with others. By the end of this course, you will not only understand how to use Canva for video editing, but also you have the skills to make your videos stand out. So let's jump into this adventure together, unlock your creativity, and start mastering video editing with Canva. Right, so the first thing that we need to understand is, what is Canva? Okay, Canva is a free graphic design platform that allows you to create a wide range of creative assets, including social media, images, videos, posters, websites, you name it, booklets, multimedia presentations, and many more things. Okay, so it provides a drag and drop interface that makes customizing thousands of templates simple and very easy. And that's just simply what Canva is. Okay, it's just a graphic design platform that offers multiple templates, easy to access and edit templates. Now, one of the key reasons that you should pay attention to is, why should you use Canva for video editing? Okay, so the first reason I usually give is it is easy to use. Canva's video editor is user-friendly and intuitive, okay, making it easy for beginners to create professional-looking videos, okay, just by editing templates, or even by starting from scratch, you could be able to edit a professional-looking video. And then we talk about its free nature, okay. Canva offers a free version of its video editor with basic features that are sufficient for most users, okay. So even if you are a free user, you can have access to most of the key features that it offers. So it's nearly free, but then there are some pro features that you have much benefit if you are subscribing to the pro version. And then we have templates, okay. Canva provides a variety of templates that can be customized to suit your needs regardless of what you are creating. You can easily customize them regardless, to suit your own design or to suit your own brand, okay. And then we have stock footage. Canva has a vast library of stock footage that can be used in your videos and so on. Some of them are copyright free, but then a lot of them, you could find some that are for pro users, okay, but you can do quite a lot with the free versions as well. For a beginner or someone with intermediate access, all of these stock images are very much enough for you to create stunning looking videos. And then we have a range of animations. Canva's video editor allows you to add animations to your videos, making them more engaging, okay, so they can help you to make your videos more engaging and appear very, very nice and professional. And then another reason could be that Canva's audio editor has a built-in audio library, okay. They have a built-in audio library that you don't have to move out to get the audios from other sites like Pixabay or even YouTube library. They have an inbuilt library that is connected to most of these websites that you can have access to, okay, that you can add your background music, sound effects, you can add them even within Canva, okay. And then we talk about collaboration. Canva allows you to collaborate with others on your video project, so making it easy to work with a team, okay. So you have a team members located remotely at different locations, you can be able to work on the same video project together within Canva. So it's cloud-based, okay, which means the editor is cloud-based, which means that you can access your project from anywhere and from any device. I'll show you how to access it using the both online feature and the desktop version as well. And then it has the social media integration, okay. Canva's video editor allows you to create videos that are optimized for social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. You can create your videos that are customized with the sizing and everything that suits some of the social media platforms. So easily you can just directly search for YouTube or Facebook banners or Facebook videos and you create, or Instagram videos, and it will give you that one by one nature, and then you can start creating your videos without you worrying about sizing. Everything has been customized to that. And then lastly, we talk about affordability. Canva's paid version is affordable and provides access to more advanced features like premium templates, stock footage, and many more. Okay, so if you are capable and you want to explore the pro features, it's better you access it, and it's exceptionally cheap when you compare it with other graphics design platforms. Okay, so I think this is just about the main reason why you should choose Canva as your video editor. In the next class, we're going to look at how to create an account on Canva online. All right, probably you can look at how to download and install the desktop version of it. Okay, so until next time, thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next class. Bye. Right, so in this class, we are going to learn how to create an account on Canva. Okay, so to create an account, you could come anywhere within your browser. You can come to the search bar and just search for Google. And once you brought into Google, you can just go ahead and search for Canva, just like so, with the right spelling. And then you can enter, you can see it, Visual Suite for everyone. Okay, so you can see, you can just select the first option, canva.com, or on your own manually, you can go to canva.com and it's going to bring you over to this very platform. You could accept all the cookies and then you can start. Just take a look at some of the beautiful things they offer, and you can see a lot of things, a lot of templates that you can work with during your creations, right? So there are lots of things to look into when you want to start using Canva, because it's an all-in-one platform. It encompasses quite a lot of things. So the first thing is, if you have an account, you can come all the way to the top here and log in to put in your username and password, and then you can just log in and start using it. If you don't have an account, you can go ahead and click on sign up, and it will bring you over to this very platform. Now over here, you have the option to sign up with a Google account. If you have a Google account open, you can as well go ahead and sign up with it. Or if you have a Facebook account, or you can use directly your email and password, any email that you have, be it Live, be it Yahoo, or any email. Okay, we'll continue in another way. It has multiple means of signing up. So you can just go ahead, provide the username and password, or the means in which you want to sign up. It's very easy. It's just click through, you just sign up, and then you register. All right. So once you register, I'll go ahead and sign up with my own account, and then I'll meet you at the other side. But before then, let's explore the free and pro version. So you can see, you can get it for free for anyone to design anything, okay, on their own or with family, friends, or others. No experience is required. This is the free version. For the pro version, you can check out the plans and pricing from here. You can see the pro free version and the pro and the team version if you want to check out. All right, quite a lot of things that you can kind of benefit from. Okay, so these are the plans. Okay, for the free version, this is what you can create with it, and you can have up to 5 GB of cloud storage. And then for the pro version, it goes with this much amount per month, which is quite cheap compared to what you're going to get. There's so many features that you're going to get. Okay, so for this, let me just go ahead and sign in with my own Gmail account, and then I'll meet you at the other side so that we can look at the general overview of the Canva platform. All right, so until next class, where we're going to look at the general overview of the platform. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next class. All right, so in this class, we're going to look at the general overview of the Canva platform, as well as the video editing platform of Canva. Okay, so when you log in the Canva website, you'll be brought into this very platform. So this is where you see everything that has to do with Canva. You can see things you might be interested in, from document creation, whiteboard creation, YouTube thumbnail creation. You can create video even of different types. Okay, you can click and you can see different kind of videos from here. You can see Facebook posts, invoices, and flyers. You can create anything of your choice. You can see everything that you can, Instagram Reels, Instagram Stories, and so on, posters, infographics. There's so many things you can select, and you'll be able to customize things and create things on your own. But for now, for this tutorial, because our main focus is the video editing, we will just concentrate on the video editing. Like, this is Canva for you that contains all of this. You can see the docs version. You can check our whiteboard and presentations, and you'll be able to see social media, or you can come to videos directly from here. all your recent designs, what you've created with Canva, you can be able to see them over here. These are my recent designs, and you can change the arrangement how you want them, either the list view or the thumbnail view. Right now it's at the thumbnail view. You can change them to the list view if you're interested. And then you have other things over here. For example, the project that you are working on, you can be able to see all the folders here, the templates. This contains a range of templates that you can see from different angles, okay, depending. So if you are looking for videos, you can come directly to videos over here. You can just click and you'll see all sort of videos. You can see easy to assemble videos from mobile videos, Facebook videos, Instagram reels, and so on. You'll be able to see different kind of templates that you can easily customize to your liking. And then over here, you can be able to edit your videos with ease with this editing feature, okay, which we are going to talk about in just a bit. Over here, you can edit to the beat sync. You can carry out beat sync from here, or one-click background removal, which of course is for pro users. Now, there are a number of templates over here that you can use depending on what kind of content you are targeting. Is it a Facebook video? Is it an Instagram reels? You can see TikTok videos and so on. You can be able to see different types and you can customize them accordingly. Now, over here, you have the option to check out your project, okay, where you have worked on, and they can be categorized according to folders of different types. You can create folders and you can insert them in a particular folder. So it becomes very easy for you to access. And then you can always come back to the home. Now down here, you can define your brand, okay, as regards the coloration and other features like a font style and font type. You can define from here. And over here, you have a range of applications that are connected with Canva that you can have access to and you can easily work with. You can see a number of them. All right, you can always come back to the home. At this point, you can come over here and you can search for any type of video you want to type. You can search with the keywords from that particular video, and it's going to give you sample video that you can edit, you can work on. Now, if you want to start creating video, which is our main concern for today, to create and edit videos with Canva, you can start by coming to videos over here and you can start with the default. Okay, so let's start with create a blank video by just clicking on this. And once we create this, the first thing that we need to look at is open this design in Canva app. We say no to this, no thanks, because for this tutorial, for this whole tutorial, we want to make it online version using the Canva online. So again, I'm going to take you through the general overview of the video editing platform. Okay, so over here you have the canvas. This is the main preview canvas, which you will see in most video editing platforms. Down here you have the timeline. Okay, so the timeline is extendable. You can as well extend it, but then you can drag and drop a video's footage onto this and you can always play to see a preview from here. Now, the timeline is classified according to slides. Okay, so you can add pages. According to pages, you can easily add a page directly. You can continuously be adding pages. I'll show you how to work with this. And then you have the duration. You can be able to extend duration. And over here, you can write notes in cases when you have some details that you want to capture while you are editing. And then over here, you have the zoom in slider. Over here, you can zoom across the canvas, okay, preview canvas. And if you click again, you'll be able to zoom across the timeline. All right, you can see you can now zoom across this timeline, which is very easy. So you can exchange both of them depending on which one you want to extend and at which point. All right, so you can change the view to grid view if you want to change it to grid view. And you can see right now we're working with this, and you can bring it back to the list view, the normal view that we have. And then you can always preview from this, so you can be able to see the complete overview of the video canvas or the editing platform. Now over here, you have a number of things, like you can edit the background coloration. Over here, you can add different kind of color to the canvas, and then you can change the timing. Over here, we'll discuss this in detail as we go on with the tutorial. And then the position also, you can change the position of the elements that you have. You may have series of layers, one on top of another, and we're going to see how we can use all of them as we move on. Now you can use the undo and redo buttons from here, and this is to make sure that all your work is being saved on the cloud. Now at this point, you'll be able to have access to this plus button. This simply summarizes how much length of video clips that you have. So on this one, you have 8 seconds, and you can see over here is 8 seconds as well. Now this place is where you will be able to see the main features that you are dealing with, the main templates. For example, when you're in the design format, you'll be able to see similar designs to what you are looking for. These are similar videos. These are videos that are suggested for you, and you can always search from here. These are from templates, okay? So you can easily search depending on the topic you are working on. You can easily select over here and you can search, for example, cards. You'll be able to see different type of cards, a video of them that you can easily drag and drop, and you customize them accordingly. We'll look into how to use this in detail. So you can see these are pets, dogs, animals. You can see more if you come over here. And then over here, you can customize the search by color, by language, and the price. Okay, is it free or paid version? Right now you can see there are free versions here and there are paid versions here. These are the pro versions. Anyone you see with this crown, it means it is paid. So this is design. You can search for anything, and then these are elements. You can find them of different types, be it shapes, be it recently graphics and images and so on. You can search for anything, stickers, photos. You can search videos directly. Everything can be found in the elements. You can see arrows, lines, circles, logos. You name it. You can just search and you'll be able to find it in elements. Now over here you have text of different types. You can add a text box directly and you can manually type the text on your own, or you can use your brand, or you can use the default one. These are default ones, or you can have recently used. These are different types of text depending on the content that you're trying to create. You can search for the type of text also depending on the fonts and the styling. Okay, so you can see there are a number of them that you can easily access. And then over here you have your brand if you have defined. Of course, this is a feature for the pro users, but I promise you throughout this tutorial we are going to use all of the free versions of Canva. But just to intimate you, in branding you'll be able to define your logos, your colors, and your fonts, style, and brand voice. You can be able to define all of them from here. And then over here, this is where you upload your media. Okay, all the media that you've uploaded, you'll find them over here, including images, videos, and audios. You'll be able to see them classified accordingly, and you can upload from different platforms, which we are going to talk about also in detail. And then you have the draw feature. This is a very new feature that has been introduced by Canva. You can draw things on the canvas directly on your own using different types of pens and different types of coloration and the diameter of the pen. Okay, so we'll look into this also in very detail. And then we have projects. This you can access the projects that you've worked on, the designs you've worked on, the folders you've classified your design accordingly, and you can drive and carry out footage from here into the canvas. And then over here, again, you have a range of applications that are connected with Canva that you can easily use during your video editing. So you can have the charts, photos, ball creation, background, audios and videos, and translate and so on. Popular ones, you can find the Magic Me, okay? You can see the DID, okay? Mockups. You can see different types of applications that you can easily use throughout this period. So this place is collapsible. You can collapse and you'll be able to have more of the canvas, so you can be able to use it directly. So there are a range of things that we will learn, but I think this concludes this tutorial on the general overview of the Canva platform and the video editing platform as well. So I hope you enjoyed this video. In the next class, we're going to look into how to download the desktop version of Canva so that you'll be able to edit your videos and carry out different kind of graphics design also on your desktop without you using the online version. This is very applicable or very useful in cases when you may find yourself offline. You can be able to still have access to some of the features so that once you go online, it will easily synchronize and you have the online version as well, or the cloud version. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next class. Bye. Alright, so in the last class, we looked at the general overview of the Canva platform, as well as the general overview of the video editing platform under Canva. But in this class, we're going to look at how to download and install the desktop version of Canva. Okay, so you can have the desktop version. You can always work on it on the desktop or on the cloud or on your browser very easily. So to access it as well, you have to log in. And once you're logged in, or wherever you are, maybe based on the editing, you can still come to the home tab over here and you can navigate to the top right. You'll be able to see open the app over here. So you can just click on open the app and it's going to bring you to this very page. Okay, your favorite design tool available as a desktop app. This is available for Mac, which is Intel and Apple chips. Okay, you can see it's going to automatically detect which operating system you're using, and it's going to give you the version for that operating system. For my own case, I'm using Mac operating system. So it has already recognized and given me the download link for Mac operating system. If you are using Windows, you can click on Windows and it's going to give you the Windows version, or the iOS or Android. You can easily use Canva on all of these platforms. And one good thing about it is that the looks and everything, the features and everything are the same. Okay, I think very little things that you can find that is different, but I have not found any difference as regards the content. But let me show you what I'm talking about. I've just downloaded mine, so you can just go ahead and click to download, and you can see it over here. It's downloading, so you can just click and it's going to download it's just 163 megabytes. So you can just go ahead and download it, and the installation is pretty simple as well. You can just install, so you have the desktop version of Canva. Alright, right now you can see it has finished the downloading. You can just click on this folder and it will just bring you to where you have it. You can just double click to start the installation process, and you can see it over here. So as usual, the installation procedure for Mac operating system, you have to just drag it over here into the applications, and it's just going to move it into the application. You can see it's been installed. Okay, so what you need to do to access this Canva is to come back to the Launchpad and just click, and you can just search for Canva, and you can see it over here, Canva. So you can just click on it and it's going to open. You can close on this. It's going to open the desktop version. Again, you have to give the permission to open, and you'll be welcome to this very platform. This is the desktop version of Canva. You can see it's free, but it's kind of the same with what you have. You can see all the features, the elements, the different templates that you were just talking about. You'll be able to see all of them here. Okay, the templates that we've shown, you can find all of them in this very desktop app. Okay, so you can always go back and you can still work on the videos of different types. You'll be able to see the view and everything, even the content, the features are exactly what we have on the cloud version. Okay, but then you can go ahead and just work on the desktop version, because I think it's quite better and it's very light to work with. Okay, so but in general, the whole idea is this is just to enable you to download and install the desktop version of Canva to ease your access. For example, here we can start the video, we can come to the video editing platform, and we can create a blank page. And let's have a look at what it is going to give us, so that we can know exactly whether this is the same as the other one or not. All right, as you can see, the looks is the same. We can see the canvas, we can see all the templates, and we equally have access to all of the other features. Okay, the uploads, the draw feature, the project, and the applications. You can see all of them. The templates and the stylings you'll be able to see, and you can be able to search directly the same way. The only thing is you have to specify which account you're going to use, and all of your actions on that account online on the cloud is going to be automatically synchronized, and you can find everything on the desktop version. So I think this does it on this tutorial on how to download and install the desktop version of Canva, so that we can be able to edit our video in the same format, both at the desktop version or on the cloud. I hope you enjoyed this video. In the next class, I'm going to show you how to create a project for your video editing, create the project and manage the project within files, okay, within Canva. Until next time, thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next class. Bye.